Most developers waste time writing custom validation when HTML already has it built in. Let's talk about making form fields required. The simplest way to make a field required is adding the required attribute to your input element. It works on input, text area, and select elements. You can write it as just required, or required equals required. Both are valid HTML. The browser will automatically prevent form submission if this field is empty. Here's the magic. Browsers provide built-in validation UI completely free. When a user tries to submit with an empty required field, they see a native error message like "Please fill out this field." No JavaScript needed. The form won't submit until all required fields have values. This works across all modern browsers with consistent behavior. You can enhance this with JavaScript for more control. Check the validity property before submission, customize error messages with set custom validity, or add real-time validation as users type. JavaScript validation complements the HTML attribute rather than replacing it. Always keep the required attribute as your baseline defense. For accessibility, consider adding area required true for screen readers, though the HTML required attribute is usually sufficient. More importantly, add visual indicators like an asterisk or label text so users know the field is required before they submit. This helps everyone, not just assistive technology users. Remember, the HTML required attribute gives you instant validation with zero code. Enhance with JavaScript for advanced cases and always make requirements visually clear. That's how you build forms that just work. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.